Do you think that getting married will reduce and can reduce your freedom as a photographer? We are outgoing and we meet many people. What happens to having fun and traveling? What? Oh my God, I've never thought that I'm going to be asked this kind of a question in context to photography. Oh man. Anyway, let me answer this question this way. I think the question here is, we photographers really have a lot of fun. We meet many people. Some of them are beautiful women for gentlemen and handsome men for ladies who are photographers. And we meet many people who have different interests. And because photography is more of a glamorous and it looks push to be a photographer, people want to be associated with you, and so you can get into a lot of traps of doing crazy things. However, the question here is, Jonathan, do you think you getting married will reduce your freedom? And I think this is a question of character, because yes, it's true that to some extent we really meet so many people and we have opportunities to do crazy things. However, if there is one thing that will kill your career as a photographer, is lack of character. When you go meet a client and you start having affairs with a client, or when you go and starting having deals with other people, for example, if you own a studio and you meet clients, just the two of you, and there are these beautiful ladies that come to your studio and you start, let's say, flirting with them and doing crazy things, those are things that will break your career. They will kill you. They will just make you not go anywhere as a photographer. So to me, the reason I got married is because I have already decided to get married. And to me, in fact, I would confess that getting married has made my career even better. The fact that I can travel anywhere with my wife, I can go photo shoots with my wife. My wife is a very beautiful model and I can have photo shoots with her. Those are the things that make me love marriage. However, let the life of a photographer not fool you that you can go and fool around. Character is the arm that holds your career as a photographer, because we are very vulnerable. We are exposed to so many things. If the arm, which is my arm, which the character crumbles, everything else you have built crumbles down. And so no, getting married does not reduce my freedom. However, it has made it better. But for you who is not married, let it not be a chance for you to go and fool around, for you to go and do crazy things, because if your character is not as strong, then it will be the downfall of your career. So I hope that question is answered. It's all about character. That is the one thing that will kill your photography career: lack of character. Hope that was a great session for you. Tune in every Friday for those kinds of question and answer questions for the next 13 weeks, and we'll make sure that we'll answer every question truthfully and sincerely. If you have questions, make sure that you bring them on. Send us a direct message on our Instagram at Photolonjas. You can see the handle somewhere below. Make sure you can also send us a direct message on our email. Our email address will be in the description below. And also, if you want to become a pro member, some of these questions have come from our pro members, people that we have personal interactions with through webinars and personal mentorship and all those kinds of stuff. But those things are only enjoyed by people who are pro members. To become a pro member, there is no cost to it. You just need to click on the link in the description below, the first link, which is join our membership, and you'll just be joined to our email list, and then that's how you become a pro member. So if you want to become a pro member, click on the first link in the description below. And also, if you want a free contract template to be able to integrate to your business, to send clients, and to be able to protect yourself and your clients through a contract that is designed and written by an advocate of the High Court of Kenya, make sure that you click also on the link in the description below. You will see the link with the free contract template, and also download it and use it to your benefit for your business. Thank you for listening to us, and always remember, learn, practice, then create. That cycle of those three things will make you a great photographer. And until next time, enjoy yourself and keep creating. Peace.